Hey guys, have you ever heard this saying? Even the most successful people in the world only have 24 hours in a day. It's true, but we often forget that these people don't have to waste time on things like commuting or doing laundry. Sure, we might not have personal assistants, but there are still ways we can save time. Time tracking. First things first, you need to figure out where your time is actually going. The easiest way to do this is to track your time. You can do this with a pen and paper or Excel, but using a time tracking app will save you time. Using an app lets you see your data in an organized way and analyze how you're spending your time. Planning and prioritization. After tracking the time, you can set your daily or weekly schedule. Prioritize your tasks and set a specific time for each task. By doing this, you ensure that you don't waste time and focus on more important tasks. Eliminate unnecessary tasks. Look at your to-do list and see which ones need it. You may eliminate some tasks entirely or delegate them to someone else. You can also break large tasks into smaller parts and complete them over time. Leveraging technology. Utilize various tools and apps to save time. For example, you can use calendar apps to schedule meetings and appointments, to-do list apps to keep track of your tasks, and time management apps to help you stay focused on your work. Multitasking. Whenever possible, try to multitask. For example, you can listen to music while you walk or check your emails while you wait at the doctor's office. Saying no. Learn to say no to unnecessary requests. If you don't have time to do something, politely decline. This will help you save your time for more important tasks. Waking up early. Waking up early can give you extra time to accomplish things before your workday starts. You can use this time for reading, exercising, or pursuing personal projects. Even though our lives are busy, there are ways to spend less time on unnecessary tasks and more time on the things that matter most. The most important thing is to work on your time management skills. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful content.